Well, we're doing it.
We did it.
We are in a beautiful place. And say hi to everybody. Rusty. Rusty. Hey, buddy. Okay. He's been people watching. He's been exposed to so many things in the last 48 hours. And then, wham! So there's nothing wrong. Not really. But we had a leak in the new tire we had. I said that wrong even already. Gonna be our view for tonight. I'm sure the generator sounds louder than it really is. It's barely sounding. I just wanted to catch my guys. A little bird walk. The sun's getting ready to set. Day 1 of travels. The big escape of Rona. I'm getting out of Kentucky. It's been really beautiful. We got all the windows open, beautiful breeze. First day was a huge success.
Hey everybody, well, our first day on the road is coming to an end. It was a good first day, and I think she done told you, but we're staying at this, well actually let me spin you around here and get you all seasick. We're staying at a rest area, but it's a super nice one in the back. You got this lake. I know, I just realized how dark it is. It is dark, you know, it's the end of the day, but anyway, it's got picnic tables. You might be able to see right here, it's picnic tables and this beautiful lake. This is where we're going to spend the night, our first night back on the road. And it's pretty peaceful, pretty quiet. You got a little bit of the, you know, interstate noise, but it ain't too bad. But other than that, this is a really nice spot. Yeah, this beautiful sunset. It's done gone down. We're just getting the last few colors in the sky. Old Krusty Rusty's done good on this trip so far, but he's wore out. He's in there taking a nap. I know I'm getting distracted. I'm hearing like a crazy bird. I think it's a crane or a heron, but anyway, I think we're going to end this video right here. Just getting back on the road, getting back in the swing of things. We got a planned stop tomorrow. We're going to make a planned stop to visit some family. Then after that, we're just going to do it by ear. But yeah, anyway, like I said, we're back on the road. The road trip has begun. We'll start getting the videos out to you. Until we see you, God bless you.